Hi everyone. Let's check on our babies today. They're a bit loud, so if you cannot stand loud noises, put your volume down of the video. It's gonna be easy. Let's have a look at them, how they're grown up. They're very loud. They're growing up so fast. And now I'm gonna show you the strange behaviors of the cockatiel parrot and budgie. Now, okay, the daddy now is in the middle, so the budgie will not go anymore to the white one. Oh, it's raining again outside. Goodness. It's raining. There is a little baby also on the floor. He get wet a bit, so he's on the bottom trying to dry up. The other ones, they're sitting outside. The junior, he's watching at us. Hi, Junie. Daddy is eating the vegetables to feed his babies. The mom is finding something else there. As soon as I turned the camera on him, he stopped talking. Come on, talk. His wife is in the nest because she have a new eggs again inside. Makush, Makusha, Maki μου, τι είναι αγάπη μου, τι είναι? She stayed with one leg up. Why are you having your leg up? Mac, you're not a horse. The horses usually relax like that. Magda, are you okay, baby? Why are you having your leg up? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. No? No hi? Time to time, when I have a little babies, little chicks, I'm giving them this mix, which is very good for them to be eaten. And it's helping the parents to feed the babies more easily. And also, I have a shell of the egg crushed for them, so they get the calcium. I will keep some for the next time, because now they will go and they will eat it. Can you hear the little babies? The mummies went inside. I will show you in the moment how they will eat it. Until then, I can play with the little baby. Come, baby. Come, baby. Come, baby. Come. Oh. It's okay. I wasn't been touching them for a few days, so now they're a bit more wild. And they don't want to be touching. Come on. Come on, baby. Come. Up. Come on, baby. Now I'm gonna chase you. Okay. Ella, come over. You can come over on your own. Then I don't have to chase you. A little baby. Come on. No. It's coming close to me, but... Okay. You see what he's doing? Ow! It's a bit painful. Parrots also bites a lot. Yeah, you're looking at me now. Why you bite me just now? Huh? Why did you bite me? Come on. It's okay. Oops, she just flied away. But she was there. I think the daddy will go first to eat. He had to check the food. Go on, Rosalito. It's nice. And then he will feed also the babies, because they're sharing their work. Not only the mommy who is feeding the chicks. The daddy is doing that too. It's nice and tasty, huh? It is. Oh, I wanted to show you two badgers, but they just flied away. There we go. And this one is the naughty one. He's always trying to talk with the one of the cockatiel, and like asking him for a food. Daddy is eating again. Mommy is also there, walking up and down. Come on, Mommy. Good girl. It's nice. This mix have also the fruits inside, vegetables, and egg, which is actually quite important for the little ones to be eaten. Thank you for staying with us. See you soon again.